Alright guys, a very quick one for me to show you how to get a status code in Node.js using the HTTP module. So what you need to do is just after installing the Node package, what you need to do is head out to your terminal, then type node, click enter. See this command coming out with the version I'm using version 22.1.2.0, and what I need to do here is just type HTTP. That's all. And you can see you get all the status code that you need. You can see status code 100 means continue, 101 means switching protocols, 102 means processing, 103 means early in. Now you always see one status code which is popular. The status code of 500 or 400 here, which is a bad request. 401 unauthorized. You can see here I have status 401. Okay, that is not authorized, and you can't access a particular page. There is a popular one 404, yeah, not found, please not found. Okay, there's 500, internal server error. So this is a quick way for you to get status code in Node.js using the HTTP module. So another way here is by going to your search or just type, if you're using Mac, click on command and spacebar, then look for your command prompt. The command line. Is it command line or terminal? Yeah, for your terminal. Yeah, once you have Node installed, so once you have Node installed, you can just click on Node. Type Node to see if it's installed. Once you click enter, it brings out the example. You have Node installed. If you have Node installed, you can head out to your Chrome browser and search for Node installation and see the processes there. I'll be doing a video soon on that. So what you need to do next is to click the same thing I did, HTTP. So automatically you see everything here. You see the methods that we have, the ACL method, bind, checkout, delete, the get and put method, get and post method are popularly used here. For patch method, put method also should yeah, the put method, and see status code and their meaning. Okay, we have the 404 mean not found. It means that web page has been moved from the server, is not found, or most times can be as a result of being shifted and they change the URL or something. So for that you use PO1, yeah, move permanently. Yeah, so move permanently, that means that we change that, we move to another URL or something. If you have any question, please type in the comment section. Have a good day, man. Bye for now.